Monster Mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the Monster Mash. My love Atari in the castle east, to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came to their humble abodes to catch the jolt from wild toads. They did the Monster Mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. They did the Monster Mash. Zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included Wolf, Jim, Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocking with digging the sound. He got unchained, backed by his baying hound. The coffin bangers were about to arrive. With their vocal group, the ship kick on fire. They played the Monster Mash, and it was a graveyard smash. It's caught on in a flash. They played the Monster Mash. Out from his coffin, Drax's voice did ring. Seemed he was troubled by just one thing. Opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvanian twist?" It's now the Monster Mash. It's now a graveyard smash. It's caught on in a flash. It's now the Monster Mash. Now everything's cool, Drax a part of the band. And my Monster Mash is the hit of the land. For you, the living, this mash was meant to. When you get to my door, tell them more is sent. Then you can Monster